Moving on to the other big story of the day, Centre has told the Supreme Court that states can give Hindus minority status if they are less in number within their jurisdiction. Further adding that the minority welfare schemes are not unconstitutional. The central government filed the affidavit in the Supreme Court in a response to a plea seeking minority status for Hindus in Northeast, Punjab, Kashmir, Ladakh and Lakshadweep. A bench led by Justice Sanjay Kaul will consider the matter today. So this is a very crucial affidavit that has been filed by the centre in response to a plea that sought minority status for Hindus in few states. In fact, these states included Northeast, Punjab, Kashmir, Ladakh and Lakshadweep. In fact, today the Supreme Court is going to take up this matter. A bench led by Justice Sanjay Kaul will consider the matter today. In fact, if we talk about the important things that have been said by the government in its affidavit, for that let me go across to Harish for the latest. Harish, we were just talking about the important highlights from this particular affidavit that has been filed by the centre. Please take us through the details.
Yes, that's right. Modi government has now put the onus on the states and the union territories to grant minority status to Hindus in 7 states and 2 union territories where they are in a minority, that is population-wise. These states and union territories are Ladakh, Mizoram, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Punjab and Manipur. The center's affidavit came in a PIL filed by Supreme Court advocate and Delhi BJP leader Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay, who contended that denial of minority tag to Hindus in these states and union territories resulted in them not getting benefits of central state welfare schemes for minorities, and it was being wrongly enjoyed by the dominant majority community. He said that they are also unable to establish and administer education institutions of their own. Upadhyay argued that just like Centre notified 6 communities, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists, Parsis and Jains as minorities at a national level, it should notify Hindus as a religious or linguistic minority where they are less in number. The centre's affidavit maintained that since the subject of identification of minority communities is in the concurrent list, both the centre and states have the power to legislate to confer minority status on certain religious or linguistic communities. And since several states are doing so already, the centre will desist from doing so. This is what the affidavit says. The state government can also declare a religious or linguistic community as a minority community within the state.
Right, Harish, thank you so much for getting us all those details.